Just another Matty Monday.
Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here, and we have started off Monday right. It is Matty Monday. I was going to do Matty Monday anyways, but DK inspired the soap we're using today. So, let's get to it. We're using Matty's MLS shaving soap, MLS shaving supplies, MLSS, DK's Arctic Freeze. I'm a sissy when it comes to menthol. And I'll mention right now, guys, there's going to be a giveaway in this video. You will have to watch for later on for details and what the giveaway is. It will be a shave set. So we've used the Matty Lindholm brush with the Bornod Omega. I did not put a lot of soap in here. I built up a rather small lather because I'm a menthol pussy. That's all there is to it, menthol pussy. We still got a good shave, but all products used today are made by Matty or some form or fashion. Now, I didn't use Matty's razor because it's time to fit in a straight razor shave, guys. And the straight razor shave is going to be a razor Matty sent me and honed by Matty. That edge may be on its way out. I've had this thing for a couple of years at least. God, guys, it's cold. So it does have the original box. I'll pull it out and make sure it's in the cover picture. But this is a CV Heljestrand number 24. I want to say that it is... I want to say that's a half hollow. Is that what that is? Anyways. Yeah, half hollow, not a near wedge. 4/8. We are going to give it a go. See how it works out. That's still shaving. I may need to send it out to be honed. Like, it's cutting, but it's not sharp as it used to be. So guys, those of you wondering, I lost a boar hair on the lather. Like someone asked, where can you get the 2-ball brush? Can you provide a link? Guys, I'm going to link Matty's YouTube channel. You can comment in one of his videos. And I will link John June's. Because I think John June carries Matty supplies in the UK. I used to carry it here. And Matty, I'm sorry. Haven't talked to anybody really. Life's been hard. God, this menthol. Arctic Freeze, man. It is citrus with a shit ton of menthol. My eyes are watering. I am a sissy when it comes to menthol. I can't help it. Alright. Did I nick the neck at some point? Whew. Try not to cry over here, ladies and gents. Yeah, I mean, it's taking it down. Just not as efficient as the edge used to be. So, let me finish this up. I'll rinse it and then I'll strop. While I'm stropping, I will tell you how to enter and possibly when. Possibly win the giveaway. Alright, so you're going to go to the video linked in the description. It is DK's video, it is his latest one. And you are going to put hashtag MinthHead, as you see on the bottom of the screen. And you will be entering for a chance to win this soap set that I'm now putting on the screen. That's pretty much it. You just have to be a subscriber to my channel, his channel, and go to his channel in the comments and comment #MintTed. All right. Give you the opportunity to win the Holy Cow Hiatus set. I got frag reaction from it. And since I won that soap set on a giveaway, instead of like selling it, I figured let's do a giveaway on my channel. Let's pay it forward. This is pretty much all the lather that's in the bowl. I didn't put a ton, guys. Like, it was like the half size of a dime. I just remember Maddie's soap could really blow up sometimes. And I hate being wasteful with soap lately. Ooh, excuse me. We're not going to go for BBS. This edge just isn't a BBS edge right now. It's cutting. And it's not even plucky. It's just the way when it runs across. You can just tell it's not all there. Maddie does put a fine edge on a razor though. So yeah, Maddie and John June's channel will be linked below, so if you are looking for Maddie's supplies, you can reach out to them through YouTube at least. And John June should be quick to respond. Maddie did do a video. A couple, but they're a little bit more far and in between than they used to be. And I haven't commented lately. To know how fast he gets back to comments. I have watched, Maddie. If you're watching this, I have watched because it's what I do. I've been back watching videos heavily. If I'm subscribed to you and you're in the community, I've been watching your videos. I may not always comment. But man, I hate commenting, good shave, every video, you know? I mean, I guess I should, but it's like, unless I have something really to contribute, I don't like saying good shave. I think I did it to Johan just because, like, but you know, let some people know I'm out there supporting their channel and watching them. I'll put good shave in occasionally. And again, it goes back to videos at work get listened to, not watched, and therefore they don't get commented on because I don't have time while I'm working. All right, guys, you know the drill. We will be right back. All right, guys, we are back. I'm leery of using the balm. Maddie's got good balm. There's just a lot of menthol in this one. It is the matching balm, DK's Arctic Freeze. Let's get some out. Whoop. Halfway ended up down the wrist. Looks like I had an accident, huh, fellas? Nice. It is cooling, that's for freaking sure. This one is a lot more like candy lemon drop kind of smell than the soap, but the soap is so much stronger menthol that it kind of overpowers the smell. Still great though. CV Heljestrand, number 24. Thank you, Maddie. I do appreciate it. Love this razor. I'll always have it. All right. Relook at the brush. Now that we got the Omega bore knot in there, that you can see it without the lather. I mean, this thing just works. It's a workhorse. It does its job. I face lather with it. I probably lost like 6 hairs out of it. Not a problem. 6 bristles, that's wonderful. I wish I had badger knots that could live by that motto. But all right, guys, hope y'all have a wonderful week, and we will catch you tomorrow.